Welcome to Pulkit Tech, the digital haven where we turn tech troubles into triumphs. If you're tired of wrestling with uncooperative gadgets, you've come to the right place. Today, we're tackling those pesky tech issues that can turn a good day sour. We've all been there. A phone that won't charge, a laptop that's slower than a snail, or a Wi-Fi connection that's playing hide and seek. But worry not, because I'm here to arm you with practical DIY fixes that will make you the master of your tech domain. We'll start with the basics and gradually move to more complex fixes, ensuring you have the know-how to tackle any tech hiccup. From clearing cache to calibrating batteries, these tips are your tech first aid kit. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the world of DIY tech repair. Together, we'll transform those frustrating tech fails into satisfying successes. And remember, a little patience and the right tutorial can make you the hero in your tech story. If you enjoy these tech life hacks and want to keep your devices running like a dream, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more handy tech tips. Your support fuels more content that makes tech work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep tinkering, keep learning, and stay connected with Pulkit Tech.